Birla, Ambani's Reliance, they are paying some lakhs of rupees for good lawyers. Another field is journalism. There are so many news channels and newspapers. They are paying very large amount for reporters and TV anchors. So these are three fields in which you can go. And there are other fields also for degree students, those who have completed the BCom, they can go for MCom and they will become lecturers like your commerce lecturer in this college. And for BA students, they can do B.Ed also, and they can do political science, history, economics, post-graduation. After that, they will become lecturer. So my request is that sir told you that the college result is very poor. So it is your responsibility that you are living in such a good atmosphere. Your college is near to your hostel. So 24 hours you are a student of this college. You don't seem that you are having studies in only one shift. After completing the shift, you can enjoy yourself as sports and gyms and library. And this smart board is very much an asset for you. As sir told that this facility is not in our college also. Our college is having 3,500 students, 20 UG courses and 8 PG courses. But our college is not having this speaker and that smart screen. So you are the lucky students of this college. Right from the morning I am saying to your lecturers that this is a very good college. Government is spending so much amount. If you divide the amount expended by the government to this college to each student, at least you will get 50,000 to 1 lakh per student. So government is spending about 50 to 1,000 upon you. It is your responsibility to utilize these facilities. So I request all the lecturers to kindly give them full support for utilizing these facilities. You read newspapers regularly, at least you have to read Telugu newspaper and English newspaper, and you go through the internet because Google is offering so much things. Google is saying that everything will be there in Google. YouTube is there, you can learn about videos. So my request to the principals and lecturers is kindly provide them the facility and improve the result. For result improving, what I am saying that you should know the question paper format, and the lecturers, they are providing the notes. You go through the notes, spend more and more time on your studies, pass the degree and go for PG. I request our principal sir to provide the question papers for post-graduation also. They should know where is the facility of doing the post-graduation. So with these words, I congratulate you that you are the lucky students of Uttur College with these facilities, and I think that you are the role model student of the Telangana. Thank you.